What's up, guys? I'm here again with another video, and I have a good, well, let me say an excellent battery solution for the Blackmagic PYXIS 6K. And here I have the ZGC Shark Fin, and I have two ZG V99 Pro V1 batteries. And yo, these two batteries actually last me for like the entire day, but I might just need one battery, well, one additional V1 battery. And I'm going to go through like my good and the bad as relates to using these V1 battery alongside the Shark Fin. So guys, here we have the ZGC Shark Fin plus the V99 Pro V1 batteries, right? So on the Shark Fin we have quite a few mounting options. So 1, 2, 3 quarter threads, 1, 2 quarter threads. We even have quarter threads and a bigger one right up here. That's so crazy. And as it relates to the D-tap, right? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 D-tap, 2 limo pins, one on the top, one on the left side or right side based on how you mount it, right? And as it relates to powering this Shark Fin, this is the key button right here. So this power button actually turns off the entire Shark Fin. So you won't have any battery drain or anything like that. So easy, so easy to use. And we have a Type-C PD out, which is like just powering out to stuff, right? So I'm going to power it on, right? So when it's on, you have 2 light indicators on the top. So these 2 light indicators show you which battery is actually in use and which battery is full. So like right now, this is in green, so this battery is in use. So this battery is in blue, meaning the battery is in use. So basically, what I realized is that when I was using it and this battery, like one of the batteries went down to like 17%. Now, how do I know about the battery percentage? Let me turn this on. So we have a LCD screen right here, right? So this is at 70%, and this battery is at 94. So the green indicator shows you that, okay, so this battery has more, this battery has less, right? So let me show you how this LCD screen works. So how the LCD screen works, you have quite a few letters on the screen which shows you where the power is coming from, right? And this V1 battery is pretty cool. And if you want to detach it from the Shark Fin, you simply just squeeze this. Let me just see. So squeeze this and it's off. So this is the ZGC V99 Pro V1 battery, and this is the black version, right? Reason why it is the black version, because this flap right here is black. The next one that I have is orange. So the only reason why I like the idea of having two of them, 2 different colors, because I can know, okay, which one I put on first and then which one I'll put, like A and B, or one or two, you get me? So I don't mind the colors. So let's talk about the battery itself. So on this side here we have a Type-C port. So this port right here enables you to charge the V1 battery, right? And we have a small LCD screen here, and in order for you to show something on the LCD screen, this orange button right here, once you press, the screen comes up, and on the screen you'll see the percentage, you see where you are getting or where the power is going, you get me? We have C1, C2 and DC, right? So that will actually tell you, so okay, you're putting out power from the C1 port, or you're getting power from the C2 port, but I'll actually show you that in further on in the video, right? And we have a D-tap at the side right here, and on the top we have, on the top we have a 12 volt, we have a 8 volt, and we have Type-C port, right? The Type-C port is where you power out, so I can actually use it to power camera or anything of the sort. I've been using these batteries for like a couple months now, right? And they really been doing it good for me, right? Battery hour for me lasts about like say 3 hours the most, or 4 based on how I'm using it, right? And one of the good thing about these batteries, it when you're using it, especially on the Shark Fin, it doesn't go below 17% or 15%. I think that's a good thing. So yo, that really makes sense. So let me show you guys when something is plugged in, power out and power in, and you'll see what comes up on this screen. Okay, so now once I plug in the power, right, this is what it looks like. Right, you see I get in 24 watt, right, 19 volts. This is C1. So the C1 shows you, okay, power is going into the V-mount battery from C1, the C1 port. Well, that's the only place you can actually charge. Well, not the only place, but you can actually charge this battery 3 ways, right? Type C, D-tap, and if you have one of these chargers where you can actually put the V-mount battery on, then yeah, that can actually work. So yeah, so you will see the icon on the screen that shows you, okay, the lightning, you are charging this camera, not camera, you're charging this V-mount right now. C2, I'm getting 8 volts out, right, and the arrow is pointing up. And then if it was on C1, you see the arrow pointing down with the the lightning sign showing you that, yo, I'm charging it. But yo, this actually comes in handy, you get me? So let's mount it onto the camera. So this is it right now. This is legit it. I'm going to mount this shark fin onto these 15mm rods. Right, slide it on and then have that mounted on. PD out. This is type C, right? This goes directly to my tilter follow focus, right? And then I can just add the D-tap. Now let's put the D-tap right here. I can put the D-tap right here if I want, and I also can put a D-tap on top if I want. So let me just put it on top, right? That's a D-tap on top. Then I can just mount on the V-mount battery. So once I hit this off, yes, the switch is off. So let me just mount this V-mount battery right here. That's one. Then mount this one over here. All right. So yeah, so 2 V-mount batteries mounted on, and it fits neatly. Power it on. Nice. So it's powered on, and once it is powered on, you will see, focus here, you will see the light indicator. So currently the one that is orange, which is this one, is actually lower than this one because green means more power. Anything below, well, I don't know how you go work out which color is below, but once it's not green, it's not full power or above 100, no, above 80 or so. So yeah, so let me just bring back focus here. Yeah, so that's it. So let me lock here. So all right, so let me power on the camera. Camera is powered on, and we have power. Right, so let me show you how this hot swap thing actually works seamlessly. So I'm going to remove the orange, right? Remove. Camera still on. I have a V-mount battery on the right side of my where I'm standing. I have the V-mount battery, annex V-mount battery here. Let me rotate this. Yeah, I have an annex V-mount battery here, right? So I'm going to then remove that V-mount battery, but make sure that the lights are on before you remove the next V-mount battery. All right, so let me remove this, and yeah, it is good again. So camera is still on, and I can just put this back or change it, you know, get a bigger V-mount battery if I want and stuff like that. And yeah, that's basically how this shark fin works. Okay guys, so that's it for this video. So if you want to see more videos like this, like, comment and subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you guys in another video. Peace.